Well, here I am with day 2. I'm changing everything from view coordinates to world coordinates, so hope we get a little bit more done. Oh, where did I leave? Oh yeah, this shit. I forgot my piece of paper. I need a piece of paper to figure this out, but I think I'll do it without it. Look at tile size. Come on, where the fuck is gonna be a tile map size on screen? Map rows, map block size? Maybe that's it. I call it block size. Oh, so it's map block size, alright. But here I hard coded. Okay. So if it's greater than 0, you know what? No. Let's do it the debugger. De-doody-doo. Let's see what kind of values come through that thing. 100% sure what I was thinking in 1984. And I think I fixed the sound cutting out problem. Turns out I had the sound thing and the mic connected to what I thought was a USB 3, but it wasn't. It's never happening? What? How could that never happen? It must have something to do with the end of the level. Maybe that's what last tile means. Alright, so that's not an issue. Now, what next? The player, maybe? Yeah, that'll be easier than anything else. Player. Oh no, I gotta do it from the start. I can't just do it at display because then collision will be off. So that's the right starting point. But all this shit's gotta change. Oh boy, oh boy. Ugh. I should have taken my contacts out. At least this is all shit. I think I gotta make a commit.
Dystopian nightmares. Human error. Infinity. On a distant planet. Our galaxy. Android.
Oops. Ugh. I don't even know where to start.
dystopian nightmares. Human era. Infinity. On a distant planet. Our galaxy. Android. Revolution.
I think. Well, for one, I gotta fix the min and the shit. Set XY, set demo. Oh shit. I'm gonna have to probably re-record the demos after this change. Although I could probably translate the old coordinate. Right? Camera Y would be the center of the screen. Oh, I really... Original height. Okay. The X should not change. Oh god, this is where it gets really complicated. Oh, whoa. What was this add XY thing at? Oh, so that's getting called. Okay. am I doing that? What? Ah, that's the deacceleration. Hmm. Extent. I gotta include the team.h, but let's see, maybe I did it already. Unknown character? What is this rubbish? How did I get there? Gotta fix that max Windows thing in Max Path. Yeah, I didn't put the header file in there. Bada bing, bada boom. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, why did I make it bool? Stupid. Oh. Oh, yeah. Now, will the player keep up with the camera? Not really. Something's wrong here. Well, it's keeping up with the camera, so that's progress. It's just something's wrong. And you know what? Let's comment out the lighting. It's not finished in that shader. I'm sick of seeing the player with no color. I don't have a whatever. Why is it so big? Huh. Hey, the player's back. I could have swore there's something wrong with the camera. The math is off. Bottom, camera position. Divided by 2. Top. Yeah, it wasn't centered right. Now the player's right, but the tiles are wrong. Alright, now let's see what I fucked up on the tiles yesterday. Aha! Minus original height divided by 2. Bada bing, bada boom. Now the enemies will slowly go off the screen, but the player and the tiles should be good. The reflections are fricked. Oh, yeah. They're at the old position. The specular. Oh, yeah, shit. Now the lighting is going to be off. I got it hard-coded in the shader. Uh-oh. At least they're making progress, you know? And the shots are going to be... They're shooting way down there. Kind of fun, actually. And once everything's in world coordinates, then when I blow things up and there's like 50,000 particles on the screen, I don't have to keep updating everything to sync with the movement. That's another reason why, if you notice, like in the old version, some of the like sprites at the bonus thing on the ground are kind of like not keep up with the ground. Now that should fix all that jitter. Alrighty then. Okay, so the reflections are fucked up. I thought the reflection was automatically handled now. Don't make no sense. Pretty sure true means make a reflection, but why would the reflection be off? The reflection looked weird too, didn't it? Like squished. There goes the reflection. It's slowly moving down. Don't make no sense. Alright. I shouldn't have to draw the reflection separately. Index equals reflected light. Store it in the same exact loop as the other stuff. The difference is one's going to the reflection buffer. Oh. Huh. This doesn't make any sense. Run it again. It's drawn the same exact way as the player ship. Why would it be going off the screen? Oh, there it is again. Oh, shit. I know what it is. I'm gonna have to scroll the damn sky a different way. But if I take that out. I don't think that was the right shader. Whoa, what the hell? Free text, light, and solid, sprite, air, underside. It'd be that one. Strange things are afoot at the Circle K. Think about this. Something weird going on here. Uh-oh, my sound went out. I guess I didn't fix the problem. Making it scroll. Render sky. Lit sky. And now the world's moving. It's trying at each frame. It's one of those things you gotta like click in your head. Oh. World pause. Alrighty then. Something to do with this right here. What? Oh. Okay, so it's okay. What is the best way to solve this shit? Oh. What pause? What's text coordinate 2? Light map. Ouch. So somehow we gotta offset that shit. Hold on, I gotta put the lighter headphones on. My ears are sweating. If I can find them. Only been a week since I streamed last. How do you lose headphones? There you go. Oops, I think I just broke them. Oh man. That's what you get for buying. What the fuck? That's what you get for buying $5 headphones. Oh man. Oh. Looks like I gotta get new $5 headphones. I don't think I'll buy this brand again. picture this is the reflection texture. World coordinates. But it needs to be offset by the camera position. It's square. So maybe I should have put the camera in the engine. I don't know. Well, whatever. Right now, I'm just going to get this working. Yeah. Yeah, I should move that back into the engine. Oh. Well, I'm just going to hack this for now. I don't feel like dealing with that shit. So. Is this the geometry one? Oh wait, no, I should set this. Doody-doody-doo. Let's see what that compiles. It sure is. Oh, I bet I gotta do, oh, it's gotta be a float array. Fuck. That's what's wrong. Shit. I wonder if he could... I wish Keegan was there. Well... For now... to unhack this shit tomorrow. Or maybe if I get it working, I'll do that. Yeah, I like that a lot better. What the fuck? Hold on. Thinks it's in that namespace. What the fuck? No, I'm gonna just do it easy. Sucks ass. I can even do this. Oh no, what am I doing? I do it like this. Alright, I have to put the 4 in there. I think you took that 4 in there. see if that files. Arrays of references are illegal. Take that, you son of a bitch! Alright, that seemed to work. Age. Oh, somebody's here.
Yeah, it's me.
What's up, dude?
Not much.
Just hacking away on my world position shit.
It's
I came up with another problem because now it's world coordinates. The reflection was a hack, so the reflections are scrolling wrong.
yeah.
And I broke my cheap headphones, so what thing cracked. I'm just gonna put it. I should. You remember when I was talking about putting the damn camera in the engine? I should have done that. So right now I'm just hacking.
Yeah.
This.
Yeah.
Game, camera, pause to array.
Anyways, good evening.
Hold on.
Somebody else. Oh, you're here too. Finally, somebody shows
Yeah.
up. I gotta put the other headphones on. I can't even hear these things sucking or crack now. Look at this shit. Fucking just putting them on. I don't know.
Yeah.
Lesson learned: do not buy cheap headphones. All right. Hello.
Oh.
Well, there we go. Now I can hear. Camera pause to a. What did I do wrong? I spelled it right. What the hell is this song playing? I fail to see what's wrong with that. Whoops.
Also, what I can tell you didn't assign the variable, I think.
Maybe I didn't put game.h at the top of this? I did. So, right there, it should come up with a bunch of functions. Why is it not? The fuck is RGFX game? Why would I even do that? Did I screw up the namespaces somewhere? Hmm. I've never had a problem with namespaces like this before. Alright, just clean. Or maybe that definition's screwing it up. I don't know. Here we go. I hate this editor. It's like so damp outside. It's so humid in here. It's like when you wear these headphones on days like this, it's like so uncomfortable. All right, so that's compiled. I'm gonna change the the shader, right? Yeah. Let's see.
Do it, coward.
Do it, coward. Okay, call it camera. Is it the default shader? Yes, it is. How to do it, right? Pause. Y. Oh, it's not going to work. Well, I'm just hard code it in for now. So your camera Y minus 100. I guess I could store that value pre-calculated in the fourth thing. I fixed it. Yeah. I think it did. No, it's still slowly moving down. The reflection's gone.
So close.
Hey, at least it's not moving off the screen as fast. Where am I actually setting that? Do it in the right position. Or would it be plus? Oh, it doesn't feel right. Wait, aren't YUVs flipped on? I forget which. Is it DirectX that has the Y flipped, the other UVs?
GL, I think.
Sure, I thought it was the other way around.
Maybe I'm just so used to DirectX that I assume everything else is backwards to it. But
Yeah. Well, now it's going by. I knew that was wrong. Now it keeps going around over and over. Oh, it stopped doing it. It's gone. It's in the void now. Why pause? Minus equals would be just 100, would it? Oh wait, that buffer is like 400. Maybe that's it.
You're multiplying the n plus x
The
and
what?
y down there. You're multiplying the coordinates there on the bottom.
Where?
If def reflection. Maybe that's causing it.
Oh, no, that's it. That's taking the already calculated thing. That's just making it in screen coordinates. That's 640 or 1 divided by 640. And oh, I see what you mean. I should do that maybe after. Oh, no. Wait, let me think about this.
Because it feels like it's moving slower. Maybe the multiplication is causing it.
Hold on a second. I think you might be right. I don't think it's... Did I change it from 100 back to 100? No, it's still 200. Yikes.
Now that screws the entire thing. The texture coordinates are normalized, right? They're from 0 to 1.
Well, I'm making them from world coordinates. Let me think about this. This is the vertex. This was close. The other way. Let me put that up there so they're all changed. Hold on. What happens if I just take that out? The screen is already that size. That's weird. I should make like a grid texture so I could see where it's repeating. Let me think about this. Look at it again. Yeah, it's slowly going down. It's close. Unless I'm scrolling something somewhere else. This feels right. And this is converting world coordinates into UV coordinates. 320 by 200. Did I uncomment out that scrolling thing? No, it's not in there. Whoops. Just want to make sure I set that up right. What am I doing wrong? Should do this to make this clearer. Whoa.
You could just divide by the number instead of multiplying by 1 over that.
Just what?
You could just divide by 320.
You like this?
Instead of, yeah, just like you did down there.
Be back in a few minutes.
Alright, dude. Let me think about this. There's something I'm not... Some little thing I'm missing. Oh yeah, duh, I'm doing that right down here. I don't even need to keep two separate ones. I can get rid of one text cord. What am I doing wrong? What did I get? Is the reflection moving at all? It shouldn't be. I think it is.
Would a GPU debugger program help?
The what?
A debugger program for the GPU.
Well, I could use render doc. I mean, figure out what.
Yeah, that's what
the
I meant.
Yeah. But look, the reflection is not moving with the ground. That's right. That's supposed to be right. I disabled that. So yeah, the reflection is not moving, but the shadows are. The shadows are in world coordinates too. Oh, let me think about this. Oh yeah, something's wrong because the world's moving. The specular's back. That shouldn't be working because it's hard-coded in the shader to position, so... Wait, that's right. That's how it should be, though, right now. I don't understand. Camera's in the center of the screen. Let's see what happens. You just gotta look at it a few ways. It's gonna be something stupid easy. That's only 6 o'clock. Cool. Yeah, now it's moving with everything else. Over and over. Shadows being drawn in world coordinates on another texture.
What is the resolution of that texture? Multi-reflection?
640 by 400, I think.
Then maybe you should divide by that number instead.
That might be it. I thought we tried that though. Hold on, let me make sure before I do anything. Yeah, render width, render height. But so is the render buffer. I mean, the plane's being drawn the same way as the... And the plane is working with world coordinates. It doesn't make any sense. Let's try it. It can't hurt, right? It'll be minus 200. Yeah, but the world coordinates... Oh, God. Wait, that might be it. Oh. This... Hold on. Let me think about this. Yeah, why would it work for one thing and not the other, though?
So are both Render targets the same resolution.
Yep. Right here, I make both here reflection texture and then the render texture to both render width, render height, which is 640 by 400. But the coordinate system is 320 by 200 to keep with true to the original game.
Right.
So what am I doing? There's some little concept I'm overlooking. And it's working on the X, it's just not working on the Y, and that's the one that's moving.
Maybe if you divide y by 320 as well. That probably.
I don't know, that would make it off, wouldn't it?
Probably, but
I mean, if anything, it'd be 400. Could try that. Let's leave this in here. It's the point where you just try random things and all of a sudden, like, what's going on clicks. Well, the good thing is, once this is over, then I know everything's in world coordinates and I don't have to be scrambling thinking of it as a 2D game anymore, you know? Especially when I put in more 3D stuff. Yeah, it's just stretching it. Is it staying with it though? No, it's still falling down. Yeah, that's not it.
are the
Oh, wait. Oh, hold on. Here's what I think. Here's what I think. Wait, I don't know how they...
Are the reflections smaller than the actual sprite?
God, I wish I could... Okay, that's 320 by 200. I don't know. I think these coordinates coming in from this might be 640 by 400. That would account for the drift. It's like, yeah, it's twice as slow as the scrolling. Or 50% less, whatever, I don't know, you know what I mean.
Yeah, I just can't see that because the quality is quite bad from the reflection.
Now it's going the other way. I think I'm onto something here, though. Hmm. By 200. It can't be the constant because it's moving, so it's got to be something with the camera line. Or this. Yeah, this is the default shader. The camera's moving. So these are real world coordinates. I know it's not going to work, but I just want to see what happens. I did compile it before, right? Yeah, it's going backwards. No, it's still moving up. Slower. It's gonna be something stupid, I know it. Yeah, these coordinates are pretty sure. You know what? You could do something screwed up like this.
Is the Y position of the reflection supposed to change when you move an object up and down?
Wait, hold on.
Like when you do left and right?
Let me turn on the music. Say that again.
So when you move your ship left and right, the position of the reflection isn't like in the same position relative
No, it's
to.
I divide the X and the Y or whatever by the Z, a Z value to make it look like it's in perspectives.
Yeah, maybe
Yeah.
you have to account for that Z value and the Y as well.
Ooh.
I think that might be it.
I want to prove one thing first. If I don't like putting ifs and shaders, but it's a matter for test. W pause. Oh, that ain't gonna do it. Wait a second. Let me think about this again.
Yeah.
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 World pause. The Y is changing while it's moving up. So adding exact. Wait a second. God, if I had a pen and a piece of paper, I could figure this out. Hold on a second. Let me find my graph paper. I'll be right back. Can't find a pen. I found a pen. Where's the paper? I had two notebooks. Play horse for a notebook.
Yeah, it has to be the Z thing. I'm pretty sure it is.
I remember cleaning and putting them in a drawer or something. A little notebook, just with one piece of paper. Oh, man, what are the chances? Got it. All right. A trusty graph paper. I got this fucking thing. The Y is changing. Well, here's the weird thing. Are you guys there? My music went out.
Yep.
Yep.
Why does the music stop? Winamp is acting flaky.
I think I know what the issue is.
All right, if I do this, here I'm gonna make a A B C D Raptor Remix Game 6 Sky. Open with. Why won't it let me open it with Photoshop? Fuck. Why is the sky orange? The sky was blue. When did I almost an experiment? Alrighty. Well, that has to be redone. But anyways, let's
I'm making a short demo, dude, because I think I know what the issue is.
I want to prove that the sky is being rendered. Forgetting the shadows, I want to prove that the sky is not moving at all. So it's just a bright color.
Yes, because the sky's at an infinite distance, right?
Yeah, but it's just a texture being rendered. I mean, here you'll see. Here, this is the sky texture now. It'll make sense. Game 6. Link all.
Just get the fucking camera working here, then I can
Dot
show you
CD
what I mean.
shader. Shaders. Build. Alright, now watch when I run this. That texture is the sky. Alrighty then. How is that possible? Did I load the wrong picture? I did. That's why it's a different color. No wonder I was in the wrong folder. How did it go back to the old folder? It keeps going.
Oh, Scott. I figured it out.
Wait, here. Hold on, tell me and after I run this one test.
It's the Z. You have to account for the Z scrolling ratio.
It's
Just for the board.
it's orthographic. I mean, the Z's really it's not even used anywhere.
The x-axis uses it, if you remember, because the... How to explain?
Wait, hold on. Let me.
I've read all the rules with the Stream Club. Am I allowed to talk?
Yeah.
So I can talk about it now, right?
If you fuck up, man, you're in big trouble. All right, let me save this. Here, everybody will know what's going on now that I put those 2 lines in there.
What's going on?
I'm trying to convert Raptor from view coordinates to world coordinates. Like
Yo.
right now everything's like basically being scrolled in front of the camera. You know, it's like a Unity camera when the camera should be scrolling over the world.
Mm-hmm.
It'll make it easier to do a lot of things, and it'll solve a lot of problems like little jitters and shit. Bill, did I run that? Oh shit.
Oh, by the way, congratulations on Age of Empires.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I gotta buy that.
Scott,
I'm waiting for my
I've got-
Patreon money to come in.
I got the demo. That I can,
Nice.
We all gotta
where I
play.
can show you what I think is happening.
All right, hold on. Let me. I want to get this shaders build. Is that okay? That's all good. I'll watch this. Oh, that's the line. You're right. It's possible I'm drawing the shadow at a different Z. I might have that hard coded in there. But right, I just want to prove the ground is, the reflection is standing still with that. Yeah, it's not moving. See? So we know that.
Yeah, because that is a texture. It's static, right?
Yep.
But,
All right. So yeah, now it's not scrolling. That's what we want. Where the fuck is Sea Lion?
Oh wait, you're trying to. I see what you guys are.
So, where do I do reflections? I draw the reflections in RG CMP. Am I changing to Z?
I'm pretty sure you're gonna figure out what the issue is once I show you the demo. Like,
Let me change the Z here to 0. Now they're both. Everything's gonna be the same Z in the whole game.
Oh, Scott, did you get re-invited to the Apogee thing?
No, I didn't even ask.
I might, I'm gonna see if I can message Jaren about it, and I can try to get us both back.
Hold on, your volume went way down.
Oh, did it? It might be because I'm a new account, technically.
Hold on.
Oh,
I don't know if that's...
I got you at
because-
200% volume.
Let me see,
You were fine like 5 minutes ago.
oh, was I?
I was gonna wait till everybody. I don't even care. They could like leave me out as long. You know, it makes people think you get a virus or something by. Oh, we're not gonna talk about it. We shouldn't even talk about
As long
this.
as they
yet.
keep paying you.
I mean, it's no hurry. I got so much work to do. It doesn't, and I don't really talk on there that often anyway.
Yeah.
Wait, did that change it? Or what if I make this IZ? Oh, I think the shadows aren't showing now because the reflection texture's basically black. Yeah, that... Okay, so I gotta do... Go back to Photoshop. Edit.
I literally have what you need, I think. Just have to.
Hold on, I gotta get where the shadows are showing again. Game 6. Let's just prove we can see this shit. Are you? Oh, you're. I didn't know how to. I didn't know you were streaming. Okay, hold on. I'll look in it. 1 second. There. Now we always see the slowly moving down. They're both got the same Z now. They seem to be scrolling a lot slower.
What are you guys doing?
You're really soft now.
Oh, that's weird.
Did you change maybe your mic volume level or something?
No, well, hold on 1 second.
Alright, I'm gonna look at your screen, Dragon.
Take a look.
Let me know once you can see it.
Okay,
so
I got it.
I don't think it has anything to do with like my
So-
keyboard or anything.
Imagine that the white thing is the ship and the red thing is the reflection. So this
Okay.
is what happens on your end, right? When you move
Yeah,
left
yeah,
and
that-
right. But it also happens on the y-axis,
Yeah,
right?
yep.
But if you move the camera, the offset changes. And it also changes if you change the x coordinate of the camera.
I know, yeah, the X coordinate never changes, so that's why it's always right on the X.
Right. But if you scroll it, that's where the offset comes from. Because this is so 0 should be,
I'm gonna be right back.
Alright, dude.
yeah, so 0 is right here. That's where it's off multiplied from, if that explains it.
It's still not clicking in my head.
So you need to account for the ratio difference of this. Like, let's say the ship is scrolling at 1 pixel per frame. The shadow is scrolling at, for example, 0.8 pixels per frame. Because that's what I'm multiplying it by. So you need to account for that difference in the y-axis. So when you move the camera, you need to multiply cam y in the shader by that same value.
Let's try it. I mean, it's just an object. I'm scaling down a little bit. I mean, there's no...
Right, but I also get this issue now because I do not take...
What's this reflection Z? You know what? I could prove if that's it real easy. I'll just display the shadow without any changes. There, now it's not going through any... I think you're right, though. Maybe. Let's see. Right now there's no... Nothing with the coordinates.
Right. So... yeah, I think it's just multiplying from 0, 0 instead of the camera center. That's the issue.
I don't think it's not scrolling down anymore.
Oh, then you fixed it. Now you just need to...
Well, not really. I mean, I got to figure out the equation to do that, but Yeah, thank you.
Oh, I did demonstrate the issue, like what's happening. I mean, all I did was multiply x and y by 0.8, and that's what made the red thing.
X. It could be in this. I don't think I'm translating it right because these are world coordinates now. Would it still work? Do you see what I'm doing right here? I'm not translating it back to 0. You know what I mean?
Yes.
So I have to maybe I have to use the current position. IX, hold on. I had to use the camera position in that to translate it back to 0 to do this right. That's the problem. I don't think I have to do anything in the shader. So let's make this X, Y.
Yeah, the reflection is based off of world coordinates instead of camera coordinates.
Hold on, let me. There, I undid it. It's back the way it was. What the fuck song? This is one of Matt's songs that he never finished.
Oh, I see where you calculate the reflection coordinates. So you may want to subtract the camera y there and then add it back
Yeah, you're
after.
right.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. So if the off to bring it back to the origin. Y is negative 200. To bring it back to the origin, you have to bring it to negative 100, right?
No. And do you see where you set y the first time to IY? So subtract camera y position from that, and then at the bottom you add camera position after the division to the y coordinate. You don't have to mess with the x because
Yeah.
it's not moving.
Wait, say that again. You do what?
Okay, let me just show you. I'll send you at the end. So if this is what you currently have, you just need to change it into this. So 0.8 here is the z in the offset or whatever. If that makes any sense. And that should make it work.
You're saying do that in the shader?
No, and the thing that you're currently editing.
Y minus cam Y. I think it's not. Hold on. I gotta get this straight in my head. Let me use some paper here. 0, 0 here. Got an object at 32, comma
air, if that makes any sense. That's all you need to do.
Okay.
That's all I did, and it fixed the white issue.
Oh, plus way off.
No, first you subtract, then you add.
Yeah. I can just...
Oh, let's hope this works.
Well, it's standing still, but it's not in the right place. I think you got to divide it by 2.
Is it static though? Yeah, it is.
Shit, my sound is cutting out again. I thought I fixed that.
Didn't you add like a 200 offset in the shader?
Oh
For the
yeah, let me
white
let me
one?
check that if I took that
Yeah.
out. I thought I took that out. But... Oh yeah, 200. That's right. Oh no, 100. You're right. Let's put this back. That's it.
That looks like it's working to me.
Aha! Sorry, I got excited.
It's still a little off. The vanishing point is in the center of the screen. Like right here, it should be right underneath it. It's like the vanishing point is where? Where does it? It's down here. So maybe I don't need that minus 100?
I think no. I don't know.
That sounds right.
But it seems to be working to me. Just need to offset the reflection correctly now.
I'll tell you, it's 100 times harder to think when you're streaming with and talking to people.
Right.
that feeling like you're on stage and people are watching you. It's like,
Yeah, but at least we know what the issue
I was getting used to it up until last week. I haven't streamed in a while. The good thing you mentioned that. I would have spent an hour going down other paths because I thought it was something else.
Well, apparently this made the most sense to me after all.
Whoa. Okay. Oh, now, it's gotta be 200, I think. Minus 200. Because the actual screen is 640 by 400.
Oh yeah.
This is it. I got a good feeling about this. What time is it? Oh, it's only 6:42. No. It's like the hell. Maybe it's plus 200.
I think coords is
I don't think that's it. I think there's a flaw in that on the C side.
So, if the ship is static, the reflection should move, right?
If the what?
If the ship is static,
Static in what way?
the reflection shouldn't move then.
I'm not sure what you're getting at. Like, I mean, if you use
The reflection is getting cut off at the center of the screen, right?
it's not getting cut off. The vanishing point's not right. Which means, I think I know what the problem is. Hold on. Oops. That seems right. The problem is... Oh wait, I was doing that in RG. If I move that shit into here. It's off by... I don't think you need this at all. So vanishing point's off by that exact amount. I think maybe it's 100. I gotta change that 200 to 100 again. I don't know. Maybe not. All right, at least it's standing still. Stop. Bang, 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 bang.
Yo.
Yo.
Hey, now you're very loud.
Oh, am I?
Yeah, you're
Yeah,
perfect
well,
now.
I had you turn
Nice.
that before. It's good.
What did
That
you
must have been. So I went in and I changed a. Let me see. I didn't change much. I just changed the input sensitivity.
Oh, cool. Yeah, it sounds perfect
Oh.
now.
That'll do it.
Oh, there you go. There, nice. So what are you guys up to right now?
Same thing with the trying to get the reflection. I got it. That's it.
Nice. Yeah, I thought that was really like I saw Dragon was doing it, and I thought that was pretty cool. Like the reflection.
Try to simulate what was happening.
No, I know
So
that.
were you doing? You were doing that in some sort of like
I did it.
test
It's quick.
project. Yeah.
Yeah, I just made like a quick gaming
Cool.
studio project.
And now, Scott,
What-
you're going to be able
what-
to use something like that.
Well, she figured out the math. You know,
Yeah, yeah.
I thought the problem was something else, but it was in the translation.
It was just
for,
the math.
Well, when I scale it by the Z here, this was done wrong because it was set for fixed.
Let me take a gander.
How do you? I can't even-
Basically, it would be in the same position of if it was at world coordinate 0 instead of.
Yeah, this
where
whole
the camera
translation
was.
thing was based off of fixed coordinates from 0 to, you know, on the Y from 0 to 200, but it's changing now because the camera's panning over the world, so that had to change.
Technically, you could also fix it for the X, but only if you want horizontal scrolling.
Yeah, it ain't gonna have that. So, but if the need comes up, I know how to fix it now. So,
Yeah, just do the same.
oh, I'm probably gonna change this anyway, but at least I know that I'm aware of that problem. I just want to make it work like consistently with different coordinate system. This whole view coordinate shit is like, it drives me nuts. It's like then you're wondering why, like, before I don't think it'll show up right, but like if there was a sprite on this island, it'd be jittering because it's slightly off than the other ones, and now everything's going to be fine, you know.
Yeah.
But now I got to make the. I'll figure it out another day. But the sky's texture's got to scroll a little slower than the rest of the world. But it's not scrolling at all now. That's why the specular is working again. I just got to convert the shots, the bonuses. Oh, gosh. What else? Enemy ships, enemy shots to world coordinates. See that ship or that boat, how it's jittering? I don't know if you can see it in the video, but
It's noticeable.
It's because everything, it's not moving like old perfect pixel coordinates now, and the little fractional differences in the movement, you know? There, it's at the end of the level. Hey, it didn't crash. I never let it go since I changed it to the end of the level. This ain't so bad, I guess. I thought this was going to take like a month, but it's only been like, what, 2 days? So I get one section done a day. That'll be like 4 days. Where the fuck is Sea Lion?
Valid question.
Oh my god. Oh, what time is it? I got till 7. I got 1 hour. I gotta play Overwatch. It's comp night. Oh, you went soft again, dude.
Oh, did I?
Yep.
Am I still soft? Okay,
Yep.
what the fuck? I'm wondering if like Discord's doing something weird.
Maybe you have some kind of auto sensitivity thing or
That's kind of
something.
what I'm thinking. There must be some sort of auto sensitivity going on. I even see it, like in the sensitivity, I literally see it like being less. That is weird.
Dragon, what did you use to make that test program so fast?
Game Maker Studio.
Oh, really? I should.
Yeah, here, let me show you. I still have to.
Don't go down that rabbit hole if you don't already have it and know how to work it. It's just very different from everything else.
I've used it years ago. I was trying to teach him programming. First he used like Game Salad, then he used Game Maker when he was like 8. And he made a game with it.
This is all of the code.
Hold on, let me make it full screen. How the hell do you make it full screen?
I am still soft, aren't I?
You're a little louder, but not like you were when you came in.
Such a weird. I don't get it. If I put my gain all the way up, does that make me louder?
Yeah, you're a little louder now.
But I'm like putting up the gain like 75%. I don't want to put it all the way up, you know?
Yeah. It's weird. I mean, you never had that problem before when you came in.
Yeah.
Or maybe you did. That's why I had yours at 200%.
I think it's the settings. I think it really has to do with the settings because echo cancellation.
Yeah, maybe turn off all that crap.
Yeah. Advanced voice activity. Turn this off to help.
That's all you had to do was that one file.
Voice is not being detected.
Maybe do a test and like quit Discord so it's not you prove that that's not screwing it and like get a wave editor and record your voice and see how it sounds when you play it back and how big the if it's like near loud or whatever, you know.
Yeah.
Let me send you. There's a cool. I got a cool editor here.
Do you hear me now? Better?
Yeah, but no, it's really soft.
Still soft?
Yep. It's not like it was when you first came in.
That is very strange.
Here, I'll send you this link.
Hold on 1 second.
Okay, back to chat. So the camera coordinates are predefined. Something? That one little bit of code did it?
Yep, I just changed this. So
Oh, cool.
This is world center here. So if I move the camera,
So it's like Java,
Thanks.
kind of?
the syntax is similar to JavaScript. Yeah. Oh, there's a weird jitter here.
Man, I wish... That's one thing I was telling Keegan that before. Like, if we had a... We could use, like, regular C++, but you have, like, kind of like a Unity kind of thing where you could get instant feedback for changing things. It would save so much
Yeah.
time. I don't want to go full... What the hell was that?
Oh no. Oh, it's Rambozo.
Rambozo.
How's everyone tonight?
Good. How are you doing?
So good.
I'm better than good. I'm headed out to pick up a skid of bull semen.
Neat.
True story.
I'm not even. I'm
I can
just not even a little surprised.
grab you. I can grab you a sample. I hear it's good to polish your dome.
Yeah. I'll pass on that there.
My mama must be so proud of me.
Somebody's got to do it.
I wish it was anybody but me. So what did I miss today?
I'm making everything go from view coordinates to world coordinates.
I'm a dumb waka. What does that do? Why would you want to do that?
Well, before, picture it like you had a camera, and I was positioning everything in front of the camera so it looked like it was moving. Now I want everything in like world coordinates where the camera's panning over the world. You know, so like now when I add like I want to add like real 3D stuff, and it'll just make more sense programming it.
That
And
does make
it'll
sense.
fix a lot of the jitters and stuff.
Fair deal.
I have no idea why it's like doing this stupid thing.
Now, I got to go back. If you want, I could stream what you're doing at the same time in another window.
Whatever.
Whatever. Yes. No.
Just wanted to show you what I
Okay.
did.
No, I forgot I had that set up. All I got to do is turn it on.
I got to get a camera mounted in this truck, then you can see why I get road rage.
You see him go over a cliff.
Hey, I'm gonna be right back again.
All right, dude. You're soft again. Yeah, really soft. It's got to be something related to... I mean, something's auto-adjusting something.
Yeah, definitely.
He's got a good microphone. He's got a Yeti, I think.
Yeah, that's what I'm using.
Does that have any buttons
That's
on it, like the
normal, right?
snowball?
It's so I've got like a pickup pattern selector and a mute button and like a gain knob on it, but
Maybe it's the gain knob.
none
is
of
too low.
those.
Oh, is
Yeah.
is the selector thing you said? It's like omnidirectional, and that kind of thing.
Yeah. Cardioid versus omni versus
Yeah, maybe
unidirectional.
maybe that's set wrong, and you only hear him when he's like talking right in front of the mic or something.
No, if he's seeing the Discord slider adjust, it's got to be doing some like automatic.
Oh, did he say that? That was happening?
Yeah,
I didn't.
yeah,
I
it's
didn't.
got to be like noise cancellation or some trash.
You know what's gonna suck? The collision shit's got to be redone then too. You know, I'm not convinced. I think it is because when you hit a boss in Raptor, it doesn't hit the hitbox, right? It actually hits the pixels, right? Because I have a vivid memory of first checking the hitbox and then checking the pixels. I should look that up.
Yeah, I
right?
don't recall, but that sounds right.
You know how they have that math site where you could type in like math formulas and math notation? They have one like that where you could type in C math.
Well, I mean, like, not really, but like if you want just something set up where you can run a quick C++ application without having to, set up a whole new project, Godbolt will do it,
What is it called?
right? Like if you, so it's Matt Godbolt's Compiler Explorer. I think it says godbolt.org.
Godbolt.
God Bolt.
God Bolt.
Yep. Yeah, you can basically.
Is this a Windows 98 VM?
Yeah. 95. But
Oh, I
Why do
didn't know
you
you were
have a
streaming either.
VM?
Want me to show yours?
if you want,
Let me see if that
I'm
still
not-
works. I haven't done that in a while.
not doing anything interesting.
That's probably more interesting than just me coding. Discord. And where's OBS? It's not showing.
Books. Partial books.
There we go. There, you're live.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't check the damn YouTube chat. Shit. Oh, nobody talked in there. Okay. Wow.
Should probably go to sleep, but I'm not even tired.
Rambozo, I can't hear you again, Dragon. Rambozo's talking to Poltergeist or something.
Yeah.
Doesn't it sound
Can
like
you guys
that?
hear- Can you hear my engine?
No, we hear. It sounds like in Poltergeist, like the noises of the
Ah.
other world. Sounds like compression artifacts, actually, but
She
I said
So-
I said that I should be going to bed, but the thing is, I'm not even tired.
that's how I feel. I get so used to, this last couple of weeks, I got so used to staying up till 7 in the morning and sleeping 2 hours. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning and I'm not even tired. It's really hard to get back. So I like taking like 10 milligrams of melatonin to knock me out. And even and like yesterday, I took it. The what?
I literally had insomnia for the last 2 days.
I had it for like the last 2 weeks.
Mm.
I did sleep good that first day. I slept like a rock, and then the next day it was hard again. It's like I fall asleep at like 2, wake up at like 7, and I need at least 7 hours of sleep, and I can't fall back to sleep.
Okay, I'm at the Spooge factory. I'm gonna let you go. I'll try and shake free an extra pint for you there, host.
No, thanks. Keep it.
God.
My gift to you. All right, take her easy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Dude. Talk to you later, man.
Cheers.
Mike, are you still here?
No, he took off. He said he'd be back.
Okay.
I'll be back in a minute.
Okay. Times. This thing's pretty fucking cool.
Which thing?
That compiler explorer.
Oh yeah.
Can you actually like run it?
Yep.
Where?
Where's the button? Oh, if you hit output down at the bottom, like on the right pane there under the compiler output,
Yeah.
where it shows you the assembly. I think if you hit output, it should. Like you should be able to return a value there. Let's see it.
Well, I put +1.
See
It's
if-
still 0. Load or save text. And I'm coding with my contacts in, so I feel like I'm looking through binoculars right now.
Oh.
I usually take them out,
Execute.
but it's Friday night. I'm gonna play Overwatch, and I wind up watching a movie, so I'm gonna leave them in.
Yeah.
I'll mess this another day. I bookmarked it. This is cool. It's really cool.
Oh. Then I think right. So you'd actually have to add a main function, but
Oh, really?
Well, I mean, it's like
You just can't test individual functions and. Oh, so you can
Trivial,
input an
right?
actual value to the function that you're testing. I get it.
yeah, right. So if yeah, in that case, right, like I literally just added int main, int argc, char pointer argv, return square of 10, and it'll return 100, right? You just have to give it the main function to execute, and then I think in the assembly pane, like you've got the output hog, like the settings at the top. There's just a checkbox to execute the code.
Okay. No, it'd be cool for shaders when you're trying to figure out like math and you want to see if it's right, because there's no easy way without using render doc or some crazy shit that to test things.
Yeah, and God, what is it? Shader toy is like
I hate shader
it's
toy.
fine, but there's still like a lot of setup and overhead. You have to do things in like a very specific way.
Yeah,
Like I don't want to learn how to work shader toy just to test some shader math.
Yeah, I don't. I mean, sometimes I'll go there. Sometimes some of the shaders have good ideas, but generally the stuff on there is like so CPU or GPU intensive, it's unusable in the real world.
Yeah, right. Well, because you have to run everything on the GPU, and so you're doing all kinds of like wacky shit to abstract, like things that are trivial on the CPU to run as a part of the shader, and it's like this is pointless. This is just an exercise in showing how clever you are.
Yeah, I forget what company it was. I don't think they knew anything about shaders. I'm talking to them, they're like, my friend goes, "Oh, this guy knows shaders really good," and they're saying, asking these questions that made no sense. They're like, "Well, do you know how to use shader toy?" I'm like, "Oh, brother, these people." Then they'd show me their game. It ran like 2 frames a second. And I was like, I don't think I want to work for these people. If they don't have some basic understanding of what's going on, you do not work for them. And it was this other company. It's like they're just throwing things out there. It's like they're like, just do your shader magic. And I'm like, that part isn't done in the shader you're talking about. I don't remember the specific thing, but it's like, how do you convince people of what is actually going on? And like they think it's so simple in their idea, but it's like it requires like a whole side on the program side to send that data that they need to do the effect or whatever the hell they want. We only can pay you for 2 days. Like, you just told me something that's gonna take like a freaking month. But we don't want that. Just do your shader magic. I'm like, I just don't have a magic wand sitting here, dude.
I see pinball.
Okay. Okay, so straight up, this just doesn't include the sample that I'm looking for. I thought I was going
has
crazy.
pinball though.
It does, yeah.
What is pinball?
That's
Is it-
kind of.
Dragon, you gotta turn your mic up just a little, or maybe I could do that in the thing.
I can't. This is a USB-C.
All right, hold on. Let me find the. What the hell's Discord?
Oh, this is much less interesting than I was hoping.
I'm going in. Discord is making this thing flicker. Oh, I didn't pop it out. That's why. How do you pop it out?
Bottom right corner. Next to the full screen button.
Pop it. I got it.
Okay, so
I had it full. I was
that's a
looking for an
downer.
option on when it was full screen. What was I gonna do in Discord? I said something. I lost my train of thought.
you're gonna turn up the volume on Dragon's mic.
Oh yeah, you're right. It's already up.
I would do it, but it's already maxed out.
Okay. It's good. It's good now.
You sound fine from me. Have I? No, you're just at 100%. Whatever.
Well, I got the music playing in my headset. I got the music playing in the next room for the iguana, and I got an air filter blowing air on me to keep it cool in here. So
Yeah, that's
I'm dealing with a lot of other sounds
noise.
too. All right, back to work. I got 1 hour, less than an hour. I'm gonna do one more thing. Oh, I know. I can move the camera back into the engine. Oh, I hate doing stuff like that. It's like you had it there, you moved it out, and now you got to move it back. It's like doing the same code over and over is just...
No, don't make me go download another copy of this thing.
What are you actually working on?
Okay, so, wow.
If it's a big answer, forget it.
Yes. In short, like a MIDI sequencer and performance instrument for an old Windows 95 tablet computer.
Jesus.
Yeah. I have some regrets about this decision, but it'll be cool, so...
I've done some work with MIDI files recently.
Yeah, I got my MIDI thing in Raptor now. I don't know what happened to the source of it, though.
I think I actually posted a photo of it in the channel at one point, but it's this like old Mitsubishi tablet that would have been used for like entering like healthcare patient records or whatever.
Yeah,
and
there
I
it is.
noted at some point that it has like an actual OPL3 in it. Right, so it's like AdLib compatible and shit. And so I'm like, well, I gotta do something stupid with this. And I don't know if anyone's ever seen the Yamaha Tenorion, like their little weird 16 by 16 grid sequencer instrument thingy.
One of those pad things?
Yeah. So
map
it's
things
like
to?
innovation. It's like Innovation Launchpad, but
Yeah,
no,
I know
this
what
one
those
was
are.
well, right. Okay, so this is like the Launchpad basically ripped that off, and the Tenorion did a lot of other cooler stuff because it was Yamaha and they're big on that. So you could actually like, the Tenorion had like MIDI in and out, and it had audio in and out, so it had like a sound, like a tone generator and everything in it. So you could actually just write whole songs on this thing.
That's cool.
I was like, wouldn't it be cool if you could do that and then some other stuff, but it was an OPL3?
Ooh. Getting a little advanced there, aren't you?
Yeah. This is, I don't know, a really bad idea that I think will be cool if I can make it work, and will quietly go away if I can't.
One thing I'd like to do, but I don't want to do it myself. You ever see that MIDI to CSV thing? It's like a tool that converts a MIDI file into like a comma separated thing where it's got all the MIDI events. I'll take that as a no.
Yeah, I think we talked about it at one point.
I want to pay somebody to.
Oh, right, yeah.
I want to load. I want to be able to load in direct MIDI files. I don't want the damn music I have to deal with converting MIDI files. Or me.
Right.
It's a time waster. But they got the source to that MIDI to CSV. But it's huge, and I'm like, oh my god, this is like a big project. I don't even want to go there because it works the way it is. I mean, I guess you just make a batch file to convert to MIDI files. It's really fast.
Yeah, there's not a ton to MIDI.
No, you went soft, dude. You went soft.
Yeah.
Maybe it's me.
No, this is me. I turned it down. I was getting yelled at
Oh.
for being too loud. But I think this is a someone else problem, not a me problem.
Okay.
Anyways, if I'm too loud, turn me down. But yeah, so the MIDI spec is very well understood, but it also had a lot of room left in it for expansion because they're like, well, someone might add messages to this later, like message types. So we have a lot of variable length structures. And if programming should have taught you anything by now...
16 channels.
Yeah. If programming has taught you anything, it's that variable length data structures should make you very uncomfortable because it's just going to turn into a million edge cases.
My god, my first job, we used to do a lot of file conversion things, and a lot of banks and shit had variable sized records.
Yeah.
I mean, dealing with that when it's like your first programming job.
Well, right, because it's the header of every message is like, okay, this is the message type. Oh, by the way, this is how long the message is and how many things are in it. And then each thing inside of that also can kind of have the same structure, if I'm recalling correctly.
Yeah, last time I messed with the actual MIDI data myself, it was a long time ago. I barely remember it.
I can show off my MIDI visualizer.
Oh, you made a visualizer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It also plays music.
Do you code in C++?
No, it's also Game Maker.
No, but do you
Just
know
for
how
me.
to code in C++?
Just a tiny little bit.
I'm just wondering.
I think Scott's leading up here to trying to pay you to do something.
Yeah. It's like I'm looking for somebody that would be able to that knows MIDI stuff that'd be able to make this so I could load it in a MIDI file without having to convert it to a text file.
I can do that.
But in C++.
Uh,
And it has to then obviously interface with my thing. I get it. It's funny. It took me so long to write this thing that it syncs. Like you have like multiple tracks of MIDI events paralleling a song, and then you could trigger things. You could also offset it, so you could do like a Guitar Hero type game.
right.
Or you ever see those like games like I forget what the hell it's called. You have to shoot everything on beat. You could do that too. Like you know when something's coming and change, have like a little air, like the aimer arrows get closer and closer as the beat's getting closer. You know, so you know visually too when the next beat's coming. But then I was like, I wanted to use this in Raptor, and I'm putting it off. One day I got bored. I mean, it only took me maybe, I think, 6 hours to convert from C# to get it to work in C++. But the only hard part was hooking it into SDL, because like in Unity, it was easier to hook into like the current time of a playing song. But I think I got it pretty close.
Yeah.
I think what's happened here is
I'm sharing
the copy
my...
of Visual Studio I have installed is the standard edition, and it only includes these samples in the professional edition.
Wait, say it
Which is
again?
annoying to me because I have the professional edition of Visual C++ 6,
Oh, okay.
but I have it as a disc in a box. I'd have to go get it.
What the hell? Oh yeah, you're making some retro thing. I forgot.
I'm a crazy person.
No, I'm sorry. It's really hard to listen to you guys, and I'm trying to think of what I'm doing at the same time.
Yeah.
So.
All right, I'm gonna kill this train because I gotta go find
turn
some
it
shit
off.
before that's gonna work.
It's off.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna do the camera thing before I hang up.
Yeah. I'm gonna go check on my wife and baby.
You can
I
do
will
it.
be back later.
Well, if I
you're still
ate, I'm
up.
gonna go in Overwatch, but it's comp night, so if you want to practice something in
yeah.
comp, and you got to get your SR up to about 1,000 or something.
Yeah, I think I had to be level 25 to join you guys, and I'm like 15.
Oh, you got to be a
So-
certain level too.
Yeah,
Oh,
Yeah.
I never pay attention to that stat shit.
so I gotta go just get 10 levels better at the game, and then I have to be sort of on the same level comp-wise.
Yeah, I think like 'cause you got to do placements, like 6 placements, or I forget what the number is, but if
Yeah.
you do really good in those, you should come out with a good
Maybe I'll get
SR.
lucky.
Yeah, you might be able, right after you do your placements, you might be able to join us.
Okay, well, I don't know. Depending on when my daughter goes down, maybe I'll fire that up and get that process started. I probably won't be able to join you tonight, but I should at least
Got to start somewhere.
try. Yeah.
Right,
All right,
dude.
I'll talk to you in a little bit.
Later, dude. Oh, I don't want to move this shit around. I'm gonna recode something I had in there that I took out. Dragon, you're still here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I wanted to show the visualizer, but the guy left.
That's hard. I got so many things. It's hard for me to look at anything when I'm streaming.
Yeah.
I got OBS going. I got the YouTube chat going. And I gotta check Discord every so often if anybody else is messaging me. And I'm working. Alright, now game. No, I don't want to do game. Camera. G, main camera. There we go. Ba ba bing, ba ba boom. P-Pod 0 equals G food. Yeah, I'm gonna need. It's gonna be like a couple days, I think, before getting good sleep before I feel normal again. I still don't feel like I'm all there mentally after not sleeping like that shitty sleep and stress for so many weeks. It's really hard to concentrate.
Yeah.
Alright, that's fixed. Now I can take out. Where's camera Y called? Take this shit out. Game.h. Gone. Gone. Camera Y. It's used in player. CMP. Tile. Okay, I gotta rewrite that down.
Rambozo is a flying clown. What? Why is that there?
It's been like a year-long story that's evolving.
Jesus.
He made his name Rambozo, and I kept posting pictures of Ronald McDonald or something, and now he's assumed the role of the clown.
That's why he posts clowns all the time.
Yeah, and then I forget. And then he was posting that picture, but it had watermarks in it because I paid for a picture. And I found one that was had a smaller watermark and blurred out.
Wow.
And then I ran out through that Topaz AI or image enlarger or whatever.
I think it's called Waifu2X.
What is?
The upscaler that I use is called Waifu2X.
Okay, yeah, he's Topaz. It's here. It's right. I can't remember the goddamn name. It's called Topaz Gigapixel AI. really freaking good. Although I've never used it for anything practical. I just installed the demo just to see what it does.
To be fair, I want to compare it.
And I tried the Topaz movie enhancer. That thing works great on, like, if you have like old videos from an old phone and you run it through that, it's like it's a miracle, like how clear it gets.
Oh yeah, just like the Rick Astley, never gonna give you up 4K 60 FPS video.
It's.
Oh,
I want to do
People
that to
are
a
crazy.
couple old movies that they never updated to HD. But it takes so long. I mean, a whole movie it'd probably take a whole day, unless you got like a modern GPU. I only got a 970.
I'm gonna get an RTX 1390 PC by the end of.
I like
Uh,
having the old GPU because it's easier not to get carried away, and it's easier to profile shaders and stuff. In a perfect world, I'd have a gaming machine, and that would be also the streaming machine, a separate PC for work, and then my Linux machine.
Yeah, I legit have a desktop PC that I don't use right now.
The what?
I have a desktop PC that I don't use.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Turn it into a Linux
Um,
machine.
Maybe. I'm gonna reuse the hard drives for my new PC build.
I had a Hackintosh, and there was problems with it. And I'm like, it's such a bitch to install that OS X on a non-Apple machine, and I was like, there was other problems too, like the hard drive was filled up. Like, screw it, I'm just going to make this a Linux machine and be done with it. I mean, someday I'll have to get a Mac again, because you can't compile, iOS and Apple TV on anything but a Mac, so... I do
You
not, for the
can
life...
in a VM, but it's not really legal.
Yeah, I know, but like, yeah, if I make Raptor on iPhone, I'm obviously going to have to get a Mac. And I want a Mac again. I like working on OS X. I just don't like the hassle that every time they come out with a major upgrade, it's a major hassle to like install OS X on a Hackintosh.
Right. So the thing about compiling for Linux, I can just compile on my VPS that I bought. Just remote compile.
Okay.
It works.
I don't remember what the hell I was doing.
You're moving the
Oh,
camera
yeah,
into
yeah.
the game.
Camera Y. Yeah. I usually don't get burnt out till later, but it's like... God, that first day, I don't know, like 3 days ago, I didn't sleep good in a week. I mean, I was just like... I'd get up to get something, I'd forget what I'm doing. I mean, it was crazy.
Yeah.
Main camera. Y. Main camera.
Are you employed anywhere?
No, I do this full time.
Oh.
Before I started Raptor, I just did contract work mostly, and I made this big shader thing I sell on a Unity asset store and a couple other assets, which I kind of abandoned now to do Raptor because I can't do everything. I mean, the whole point.
Does Mountain King even exist as a company still?
Yeah, but I'm going to reincorporate it. It's probably not in good standing right now because I don't do anything with it.
Yeah.
I was going to call it Echo Login, but now then I started thinking about the Mountain King, and then after last week, I'm going to go.
Yeah, let's not talk about that.
Yeah. So yeah, it's. RGFX. Surprised I haven't totally screwed something up. It's so hard to keep my mind on what I'm doing right now. I think I could think clear if I was drunk. Well, not if I was drunk and tired, but this is like this tired shit and being. It's just weird. Okay, I gotta make a prototype. Oh-de-doo. Yeah, let's put it in order. I gotta really neaten this shit up. This is RBG, yeah. Camera Y. Okay, now I gotta find out where camera Y is. RGFX. And I don't think I need game in there. I do. Where else? RGFX. Take that out. If this works first try, I'm gonna be amazed. Amazing. Oh shit, I did something dumb. No. Double. There we go. And that should do it. Oh, I know what it is. That position.
So why exactly do you have to move this back into the engine?
Makes more sense. I don't like things being all over the place. It's like one camera, and it's used the most in the engine now, so. I'll probably change my mind tomorrow. I don't know. I shouldn't be doing this when I'm out of it. Not it. This is fine, I guess. Yeah, because I'm doing all the camera stuff with the reflection thing, and there's only going to be more 3D stuff like that in the engine, you know. So it seems like it belongs there more than anywhere else. Then I'll just make an update camera function. It works. Right now it's just hard coded, but yeah, and I screwed it up. Oh. Oh, wait a second. I gotta make that update function right now. That's why it does not. Here we go. Tile Y off. Oh god, where's the fix update? That's in game. PPP. Yeah, here it's updating the wrong camera. So, one last function. I wonder if Mike got his mic fixed.
Probably.
Camera add Y. Looks right. Fix. Oh shit. Okay, I always had a YouTube chat. I always forget to look at that. My second monitor is like cluttered with crap. I could use one more monitor where I just put streaming stuff, and it's still not working. Oh! I know. I'm still using the data from the old camera in here. Oh, that should be it. How many more typos can I make? Yeah, after I get this, I gotta quit. I'm gonna wind up screwing this up.
Yep.
What time is it by you?
It is 2:30.
Alright, too bad.
It's like 2:30 a.m. I'm not even tired.
I forget. Okay, now the world's working. The player's fucked up. You know what? I'm gonna delete the other camera thing. I can find out everywhere it is by the errors. Oh, and I can take that out too. Shit. Passing the wrong camera to the render thing. Oh, oh god, that's why you don't work on it when you're tired. I made a big mistake just now. Still in the undo buffer. Nothing to undo, great. Oh, it's only 2 lines. Camera. Render. Oh god, I gotta change this. I'm just gonna leave that for now. No, I'm gonna change it now. Void. Now, where did I call that from? Well, a compile will tell me. Oops. New geometry shit. How many times am I gonna change this one function? I hit it right. Main C. Boing. Main loop unresolved. Right there. It's oh. Oh shit. I fucked up. Okay, yeah, that's gone. Okay. Wait. Please work. I want to play Overwatch. Something's still screwed up. Oh, I think I did the wrong thing. I'll fix this tomorrow. Add Y is supposed to be Subtract.
Wouldn't that make it scroll downwards instead?
Yeah, there we go. Everything's. That's why it was all screwed up, and the guy was trapped at the top because of the clipping. You know, the checking for boundaries and stuff.
Yeah.
It's all working now.
Good. Now you're missing the sky texture.
Oh yeah, I think I put that back. I just gotta run. Blinker. There we go. Everything back to normal and working. Except for the enemies and the shots and the bonuses. That will be tomorrow. And then I'm going to spend one day neating up the code and the engines. My God, is it a mess? Now, it's been through so many changes, you know, like, I mean, it's like...
Are you going to like redo all the graphics for the modern like remaster?
Probably
Or-
not. I mean, I really want to keep it like pixelated looking, but I'm going to add a bunch of shader effects. It's not in there now, but I have this thing where I made this light system where I could have like a 2,000, like I have 8,000 lights, so every little thing could light up stuff. So I'm going to darken the levels, and it's going to look all like, you know, with modern lighting and stuff. It's kind of a deferred, like a simple deferred kind of rendering. And right now, there's one directional light. That's for like the specular and stuff. I don't want to be calculating that for all the point lights and stuff. So, but yeah, it's gonna have it like night and day, and you know, I might make new levels for the new version because I want to fix the gameplay stuff and kind of make certain things work differently. Like maybe you pick 3 things out of your inventory to equip your ship with before each mission, so you don't have everything and you become like invulnerable. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I mean, basically in Raptor, once you get everything, you just hold on. You can hold on the fire button and close your eyes. Yeah, the scrolling is way smoother. And tomorrow I'll see when those ground sprites are fixed to world coordinates. I hope that fixes the jitter. That's like unacceptable.
Are you streaming the graphics from the original GLBs?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, everything's just changed via shader stuff and programming. There's no new graphics for the sky texture. Yeah, I could play real fast. What time is it? I gotta play Overwatch. I got 15 minutes. Where's my editor? Fault shader. Oh, I don't even have it in there, do I? Oh, I got the light maps. Light map 1 is the ground. Light map 2 is the sky. Here, color. Should do it. I was thinking I do this instance thing where I take all the lights. It basically just draws a bunch of quads out that are all instants, so it's like one draw call, and then each quad it calculates the light fall off and just draws it into this light map. And then I have one for the ground, one for the air.
That's cool.
Yeah, but that now it can. But it was killing me. I was like trying to think for years. I go, man, if I ever even before I started on this, I was thinking Raptor 2, how am I going to have unlimited lights? And then somewhere I thought, wait a second, you know, it's like deferred, but what if it doesn't work on like some older devices and stuff? What if I just drew it to a regular frame buffer and kept it simple, you know, no like G buffers and shit like that. No normals, just simple lighting. And then I was talking to that one guy, the programmer for, you know, the Mike that just came in is making a game Below the Stone. I was talking to this programmer, Andrew. He was trying to figure out something in Unity, and I'm like, reading up on it, like, oh my God, they use light maps. I go, that works. So the next day I started on it and did it. So I was like, it's like proof of concept, like, you know, it showed me like, okay, I'm not going to waste time on something that doesn't work. I'm like, that's how they're doing it. My idea will work.
Yeah.
The lights are probably going to only happen in the first part of the level because all the shots and everything that would have lights on them are not world coordinates yet. So watch fast.
The light maps are probably gonna be used for the
See?
time of day, right?
See it?
It's loading for me.
Oh, I'll start it over.
Oh, I
Wait a
see it now.
Yeah, that's
That's a lot of light.
yeah. I'll start it. Wait, let me start it again. You can see most of the lights at the beginning.
I saw it. You don't need to.
Okay. I want to see it again. It's gonna look so cool, you know. And that's just one light map, and then I got this thing in there when I found the silhouette of all the ships in the air. So when lights and bombs go off below, it's gonna kind of like light up the edges of the spaceships in the air.
Right.
Kind of like a what do you call it? Like a subsurface scattering or something, but a very 1 pixel way. So, all right, I gotta go. Oh my God, I gotta jump in Overwatch. It's like this Friday thing for over almost 2 years now.
Maybe you should stream it.
I was thinking that if I do, I might just stream it in the
Discord.
yeah. I don't like to stream it because people get salty and we know each other for so long, and sometimes people talk about personal things, you know, and it's like I don't want to broadcast that, you know. But I'm going to get like a bunch. Sometimes like me and Keegan play, and I think Shelly in there. She played with me once, and who else? I'm too tired. There's somebody else, and I was thinking of getting just people from the Raptor thing and then doing a stream. Boom. I'm going to press the end.